Getting you more reactions on part of the BJP, how they have been reacting as far as Karnataka CM's plea that has been now dismissed by the High Court. Mohit, over to you.
What they really do is this type of corruption. And that
well, yes, Amita, just bear me for a few seconds. We get the first reaction coming in from Rajiv Chandrasekhar, given the fact it's a very big development that has come up. Now, this particular development is important given the fact that how the Karnataka High Court had dismissed the plea of Siddaramaiah, and BJP is saying that this is a huge win given the fact that how they have been raising this particular issue for a long time, and now what exactly will happen next to Siddaramaiah given the fact that our BJP has also planned for March and protest, and hence what we will get is in few seconds from now, we'll get the reaction of Rajiv Chandrasekhar, who is a former union minister, and we are right now being joined by former union minister and senior BJP leader Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Sir, it's a big development that has come to forth from Karnataka. The High Court over there has dismissed the plea of CM Siddaramaiah, where he wanted the stay on the proceedings which were being granted by the governor. How do you see this, the whole scam, given the fact serious allegations are being made and now the plea has been dismissed?
No, look, this is a very shocking exposure. This is an exposure of corruption at the highest levels of the government of Karnataka. This is exposing a deep-rooted malaise that afflicts the Congress party under Rahul Gandhi, which is that they say things before elections ostensibly for the poor people, for seeking their votes, and after the elections they are exposed as grabbing land and grabbing public assets that are meant for the poor to enrich themselves and their families. When this scam came out, the Congress party first said, no, this is not something that the governor should sanction prosecution for. And today the High Court of Karnataka has ruled that the governor was within his rights to sanction the prosecution and more investigation is necessary. Therefore, prima facie, there is corruption. Prima facie, the Chief Minister of the state of Karnataka, which is the leader of the Congress party, the leader put there by Rahul Gandhi, has been found to be dabbling in land corruption, is now known to people, openly. So this is something Rahul Gandhi, instead of talking about every other thing, waving the constitution, talking about EVMs, bad-mouthing India, should now pause and give a press conference about corruption in his political party, corruption in the Congress, and answer to the people of Karnataka and the people of India at large. What is it about the Congress party that encourages this type of brazen corruption? Not just once, not just twice, repeatedly, and by various leaders in the Congress party.
But the questions are now being raised on what's next for Siddaramaiah, though he can also appeal in the larger bench, the division bench, and the legal proceedings are gone because these are the allegations as of now, but then the court had dismissed his plea. Does the BJP want Siddaramaiah to resign so that a fair probe can take place? What exactly would be BJP's future course of action?
Look, the state party unit will certainly, and the party president, Shri Vijendra, will certainly say what he has to say about what the state party's unit is vis-a-vis the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah. But the reality is for people of India to know that this is really the true face of the Congress party under Rahul Gandhi. That while Rahul Gandhi talks about the constitution, Rahul Gandhi goes around bad-mouthing India, Rahul Gandhi goes around peddling his politics of lies and fake promises. The reality of the Congress is this, that whether it is Karge, whether it is Siddaramaiah, their families are constantly grabbing land and making themselves rich. That is the difference between the BJP and the Congress. The Congress party's politics is to make their families rich, and the BJP is today working to make sure every Indian gets opportunity and prosperity. This is the main message that comes out of what is happening in Karnataka. That never trust the Congress party because they are always out to make a fast buck, as Siddaramaiah has demonstrated with the MUDA Case.
These are the serious allegations that are not just being leveled on the Chief Minister but on the family too, the land grabbing, getting NOCs in a wrong manner. These are very serious allegations.
No, these are very serious allegations. This is like saying that the people's vote that they sought in 2023 and they sought the vote of the people by making all these false promises to the people of Karnataka. And then 1 year later, you find that their intention is not to keep any of those promises, but rather to snatch land, to grab public property, and enrich themselves and their families. This is really the true Congress politics. The truth about the corrupt Congress is being revealed today in front of everybody, in front of the nation.
All right. As far as reactions from the BJP side that have been coming in saying that this is nothing but corruption that has now been exposed within the ranks of the Congress party and going to the highest level, which involves the Chief Minister. Here is the High Court today rejecting the plea against the governor's approval for a probe inside when it comes to the allotments case. And this is coming at a time when the governor himself had sanctioned an investigation against the Karnataka Chief Minister in the alleged MUDA case, or which is the Mysuru Urban Development Authority case. But here is today, as far as the High Court today is concerned, giving it in a way suggesting that this is coming across as a setback to the Chief Minister, dismissing his petition challenging the governor's decision to sanction his prosecution. And of course, when it comes to the role of the governor, which the Congress party has been questioning today as well, saying that the governor himself can take very much an independent decision, and there was application of mind when it comes to the decision that has been taken by him. Importantly, as far as Mohit has been getting us reactions from the BJP side saying that there is now morally, as far as the Chief Minister cannot stay in his position because there is corruption within the highest ranks, Mohit, that has now been exposed and directly now coming on part of the High Court, which has now dismissed his application. Imran, if you can take that question. Imran, you with us? All right. Getting reactions from the opposition BJP as well, saying that morally the Chief Minister is not in a position to continue, and also seeking his removal, saying that his resignation is now coming in the way as far as the Congress party, in a way saying that the Chief Minister will be taking his fight next through the Supreme Court. More reactions coming in.
The issue is not about the MUDA. It is the way the Raj Bhavan is functioning, the way governor is functioning, and how his office is being misused. And we are seeing it on a day-to-day basis now. The way he is behaving is very, very awkward, and it is against constitutional norms, all those things. So that is the issue. Now, whatever the verdict is, the law will take its course. There's no problem about that. And our CM is very confident about his own innocence. We are very confident about his own innocence. And whatever happens, we will face it. That's not an issue. But here, the situation is with the BJP.
Right. When it comes to the leaders there, as far as we're trying to get Congress reactions as well on what would be the next course of action, because here what the Chief Minister is now seeking, that when it comes to the BJP, which has said that they will continue their protest, and that too outside the residence of Chief Minister, where Pinky currently is reporting live from. Pinky, the BJP is set to escalate its protest against the Chief Minister after today's verdict.
ನಾನು ಈಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಇದ್ದು, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆದೇಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆಯವರೆಗೂ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಾನು ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಥರ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ನನಗೂ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ, ನನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯವರು, ಮಾಡಿ ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಜೈಲು ಕಳಿಸಿ, ಏನೋ ಭಗವಂತನ ಕೃಪೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಕೇಸು ಕೂಡ, ಅದು ಜೈಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದ ಕೇಸು ಕೂಡ ವಜಾ ಆಯಿತು. ಹಂಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಷಡ್ಯಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ತನಿಖೆ ಆದೇಶ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾವ ತಪ್ಪು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೇನು ತಪ್ಪು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
He is saying in his interaction with the media that he will come out clear. CM has not done any scam as far as this thing is concerned, and clearly he'll come out clear is what the DCM seemed to be saying in his press conference to the media outside his residence.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಕಿವಿ.
ಸರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಸಿಎಂ ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್.
ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಏನು ಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಇದೆ. ತನಿಖೆ ಏನು ನಡೀತದೋ ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆದೇಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದೇನು ವಿಚಾರ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
All right, that is the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar there reacting as far as today's decision by the Karnataka High Court is concerned, dismissing the petition filed by the Chief Minister challenging the Governor's approval for an investigation against him. With that, we head into a short break. Lots more reactions coming in. This is a developing story.